A very good afternoon to all of you, and congratulations to all the participants who have given National Quiz Competition 2020 Round 1. Hope you guys have learned a lot throughout this process, and the main aim which we wanted to achieve was to inculcate some knowledge among the law students, and hopefully that motive was successful. And now we will be discussing the questions that were given to you in round 1 for environmental laws. So this video is basically for all those students who have appeared in round 1 in the category of environmental laws. Without wasting any much time, let's go to our question number 1. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court applied the doctrine of public trust that the state, as a trustee of all the natural resources, is under a legal duty to protect the natural resources? These natural resources are meant for public use and cannot be converted into private ownership. The correct answer for this is MC Mehta versus Kamalnath. The next question: soil erosion is caused by? The correct answer is deforestation. Now, next question: which of the following statement is correct? The first statement states Rotterdam Dam Convention is established to trade with hazardous chemicals. Next is Rotterdam Convention is not the prior informed consent procedure for certain hazardous chemicals and pesticides in international trade. Third, the Rotterdam Convention came into the force in February 24, 2004. So the correct answer is only first and third statements and is correct. In second statement, the statement is correct if this not word was not there. Okay, so now next question. The absolute liability principle mainly focuses on which of the following? So the correct answer is polluter play principle. The next question, which of the following is correct? So the correct answer is option B, which says absolutely liability is equal to strict liability minus exceptions. Now next question. Noise pollution has been inserted as pollution in the Air Act in the year. So the correct answer is 1987. The next question. The Environment Protection Act was enacted by the Parliament in the correct answer is 37th year of the Republic of India. Next question. Which section of the Environment Protection Act 1986 prohibits emission or discharge of environmental pollutants in excess of standards? The correct answer is section 7. Next question. The Brundtland report is mainly concerned with, the correct answer is sustainable development. Next question. Basel Convention was adopted on 22nd March 1989 by the Conference of Finatopolis in the Basel, Switzerland. The main aim is to control of, the correct answer is transboundary movement of hazardous waste and its disposal. The next question, under the Environment Protection Act, the term environment includes, the correct answer is water, air, and land. Next question, according to UN Convention on Law of the Sea, 1982, the contagious zone is established to exercise the control necessary to prevent and punish infringement of coastal state law relating to, the correct answer is fiscal. The next question. According to Article 51A of the Constitution, which among the following are correct? So these four are the statements, and the correct statements are 2 and 4 that state it shall be the duty of every citizen of India to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India. And the first statement, it shall be duty of every citizen to develop a scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. Now, next question. In the Water Act, the entire National Capital Territory of India has been declared as Water Pollution Prevention Control Area under, the correct answer is section 19. Next question. The Supreme Court allowed compensation of rupees 23.84 lakhs and later allowed additional compensation of rupees 47 lakhs to the farmers whose crop got damaged being irritated by subsoil water drawn from a stream which was polluted from untreated influence of 22 industry. This was the case of, the correct answer is Indian Council of Environmental Action versus Union of India. Next question, rule of strict liability implies, the correct answer is no fault liability. Next question. The power to declare an area as a sanctuary or national park of central government in Wildlife Protection Act is under, the correct answer is section 38. Next question. According to UN Convention on the Law of Sea 1982, the contagious zone is established to exercise the control necessary to prevent and punish infringement of coastal state laws relating to. The correct answer is customs, fiscals, immigration, and sanitation. Next question. There is no reason to compel non-smokers to be helpless victim of the air. This was held in. The correct answer is Mulli S. Deora versus Union of India. Now, next question. Which convention adopted for the protection of ozone layer and in which year? The correct answer is Vienna Convention in 1985. In respect of water crisis, there have been conflicts, disputes between two countries or the same or the state of the same countries. Which of the following has never been the case of water conflict? The correct answer is Jordan, Tigris, Euphrates, and Nile River basins dispute among Jordan, Syria, and Israel. Now, next question: which among the following is not true with respect to the decision of Supreme Court in Vellore Citizen Welfare Forum versus Union of India AIR 1996? So these are the four statements. The correct incorrect statements are second, third, and fourth, which states second, third, and fifth, which states the court refused to recognize that a balance must be struck between the economy and the environment. Third statement, the court accepted the traditional concept that development and ecology are opposed to each other. Fifth, the Supreme Court held that precautionary principles and the polluter pay principles are part of international environmental law and not the municipal law. So next question, who promulgated an EIA notification making environmental clearance mandatory for expansion or modernization of any activity for setting up new projects on 27th January 1994? The correct answer is Union Ministry of Environment and Forest under the EPA Act 1986. Next question, when did Stockholm Convention on Persistent Organic Pollutants came into existence? The correct answer is 17th May 2004. Next, consider the following statements related to Biological Diversity Act. The first statement say this has been laid down for the regulation of production and consumption of ozone depleting substances. Second, it is an act to provide for the conservation of biological diversity, sustainable use of its components, and fair and equitable sharing of the benefits arising out of the use biological resources and knowledge associated with it. So the correct answer is option B. Now, next question. The principle of absolute liability has been laid down in which of the following legislation? The correct answer is Public Liability Insurance Act 1991. Next question. Under the Constitution of India, right to pollution-free environment has emerged as a fundamental right from which article? So the correct answer is life and personal liberty under Article 21. Next question. The Forest Conservation Act 1980 have? The correct answer is 5 sections. Next question. Consider the following statements related to Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act. First, it provides for the protection of birds and animals and for all that matters that are connected to it, whether it be habitat or the water hole or the forest that sustains them. Second, it aims to deal with the waste arising from the ship along with the coastal areas within a specified radius. So these both statements are not correct. Now, next question. How many principles are proclaimed at the Rio de Janeiro Convention? So the correct answer is 27. Which of the following act of the environment and ecology is associated with the law applied to every municipal authority responsible for the collection, segregation, storage, transportation, processing, and disposal of the municipal solid waste? The correct answer is Municipal Solid Waste Management and Handling Rules. So, next question. Who made the first anti-pollution law? So, it is King Edward I. Next question. In which case concept of absolute liability was evolved in India after? The correct answer is MC Mehta versus Union of India AIR 1987. Now, next question. National Environmental Policy 2006 emphasize on. The correct answer is option B, conservation, prevention of degradation, and equity of natural resources. Next question. For the conservation of migratory species of wild animals, which convention took place? So the correct answer is Bonn Convention. Next question. Under which domain seventh five-year plan help in the protection of environment? So the correct answer is Environment Protection Act 1986. Now, next question. Arctic Environmental Protection Strategy in 1991 as a framework for intergovernmental cooperation on the environmental protection initiatives among the Arctic states includes. The correct answer is Canada, Denmark, Finland, Ireland, Norway, Sweden, Russia, and United States. Which now next question. Which was the first major disaster of air pollution? The correct answer is London smog. Next question. The chairmanship of the Arctic Council rotates every 2 years among the Arctic states. The first country to chair the Arctic Council was Canada. The next country to assume the chairmanship in the year 2019 to 2021 will be. The correct answer is Iceland. Next question. Which one of the following organization dedicated to protecting human health from environmental harms? The correct answer is Environment and Human Health. So these all were the questions that you have in your round one, environmental laws. Hope you have got your answers and now you will be able to see the mistakes that you have committed during the quiz. So all the best and take care. Stay tuned.